Hey, what up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the brake pads on your mountain bike. So today we're gonna use J03A. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below. So this is for the Euro XT SLX. So without further ado, let's go. So first thing first, the tools we're gonna use is 3 milli and 5 milli Allen wrench, and then we're gonna use these long nose pliers, the rusted one. So this is the rear and the front, they're all the same application. So without further ado, we're gonna remove this screw right here, but before we do that, we gotta take off this cotter pin. So that's when the long nose pliers comes in. So you just gotta pull them up. Alright, and then we're gonna remove the screws, lefty loosey, it's out, and then we're gonna pull off the brakes together. Okay, squeeze them in and pull them out. So once you get that out, that's the old one, and then we're gonna use the 5 milli. I like to take off the whole the piston, the brake, the housing. I like to take them all off so I can push the piston out of the way. As you can see, I'm gonna crack it open. Alright, so there's only 2 bolts, 5 milli, so I got them all out, and then you can see the piston right there, the white one. So what I do is I use any flat that you can push it out of the way. So I use this what you call this is the chain, how to measure the sag of the chain. So I'm using that tool, so I'm gonna push it out of the way, push him out of the way, both sides. So now we got the new brake pads. So I'll put the link in the description down below where you can buy this one. So make sure left is towards on left side and right is toward on the other side. So there's a shim in there. So all you have to do is place the shim right there. It sits right in there. Okay, right with the pads. Okay, and then it's just gonna put it together. And right there, it looks good. Now you're just gonna slide it in there. Make sure all lined up with a hole where you put the screws in. And voila, and then squeeze them together. Well, it claps back, and now you can put the screws in. Alright, pretty easy, right? Screw them in, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the cotter. We're gonna use the old one, the cotter key, the cotter pin, slide them in there. Alright, easy, right? It's all in place. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna screw the 2 bolt in. Don't tie them up super tight. Okay, don't tie them up super tight like what I said, because what we're gonna do here, we're gonna spin the tire, and then my son holding it.
Don't let it go. Don't let it go.
I'm gonna tie them out all the way, so the brakes, the rotor will center out.